upon you guys to have confidence in what you are doing. And kana mukatoti chiramba chekuti chipatara chemamutare achiti macasualties vanofa vakawanda matechnology aadisira kundeye kwenyu ikoko mundiregererewo handizoasiyi kuti nditaura zvekuretera vanhu vanofa vakawanda kana muimotariti vanofa vakawanda nemhaka yekuti equipment yenyu inenge ichipa wrong information munenge makatombozviziva but mukagara matogadzirisa zvinhu zvakaita seizvizvi dzimwe nguva you be saving lives because kana nemo you must be confident in whatever you are doing. Saka currently as I speak made matotwa lead down nechimushina chawo ichi kuti tikachibatidza 5 seconds chabva chatoenda aizi mhosva yavo asi tiri kuti ndo zvinhu zvatiri kushandisa on a day to day basis. So I think from today on tichavhura page yekuti tibatsirane, we are there 24 hours takavhura madhoo. Zita rangu rinonzi Faraita Ruona, ndini regional inspector of Manicaland. Ndinoshanda ndiri muMinistry of Industry and Commerce, section inonzi Trade Measures Department. We realize this day is internationally observed. So as a country, we thought of the medical fraternity as people who do measurements directly. Saka pane equipment yakawanda inoshandiswa panapa and it deals with life. So we have got a background information that equipment isingakwanisi kumeasure zvakanaka inogona kutokonzera munhu kupuwa mishonga isiri correct. Saka taona zvakatikoshera kuti tidzidzise even the actual people like the users of that equipment, madoctors, surgeons, nurses, vatachangira. Taimboda kuti ite public program but takaona kuti audience yedu for starters, since we are starting a new program, inoda kuti titangire top kune vanhu vanoshandisa equipment vakaita appreciate, then we go down to the public. So we wanted to inform them, educate them and sensitize them the importance of measuring. Like the theme of this year, it said we measure today for a sustainable tomorrow. What do we really mean? If we do right today, it's a tomorrow that is guaranteed. Saka tiri kufila kuti the medical fraternity has got a bearing on lives, so we need them to give life to people through measurement. It's a commemorating day, convention, the Meter Convention. The Meter Convention that was international signed to recognize international standards of measurements, which are metric. Kana chiti metric tukuti aradhara kune measurement units aishandiswa sana ma-inches, ma-yards, ma-feet. But because of the Meter Convention, the country Zimbabwe signed that treaty in 2006, as it said in the report, to make sure we comply to recognizing the meter or the metric system where we go global using what all other countries are using, so that when we take a measurement in Zimbabwe, it will be the same measurement in Mozambique, in the country, in Finland, whichever country that you can think of. We do one thing here which is recognized internationally.
Today was an auspicious day. We were commemorating the World Metrology Day in conjunction with the Ministry of Industry and Commerce. They decided to come and commemorate this day at Victoria Chitepo Provincial Hospital. For us, this is key because as a hospital and as medical practitioners, as people who work in the medical industry, we depend a lot on scales and meters in our BP measurements, in our scale measurement for weight, in our measurements for temperature, and appreciating that these tools need to always be in good condition is key. We cannot administer our services to the best ability without these tools, and when these tools are in their best condition, we will be able to offer the service to the community to the best of our ability. So them coming here and sharing the time with us and giving us the teaching and talking to us in line with that has opened up our eyes, has helped us and equipped us to know the importance of a well-calibrated tool in our administration of our services.